Good day everyone, our group was assigned to install Windows 10 Pro. Now in this video, we are using Windows 10 ISO file to install the operating system using a virtual machine. To start, let us first go ahead and download the ISO file. Now in step 1, downloading the ISO file, you must first open your browser, type in Windows 10 ISO file in search box and you'll be shown the link where you can download the file with the official Microsoft website being on top of the search. However, Microsoft website no longer provides the ISO file, especially when the current installed OS in your laptop is already in Windows 10. Unless you'll use a physical drive such as flash drive or DVD-ROM. Then you can download the media creation tool and create a bootable drive. In our case, we went to another website, Tech Latest, to download the disk image. Once the suitable ISO file is found, click the Mirror 1 button and it will redirect you to downloading the ISO file. Wait until the file is finished downloading. Now, in step 2, installing and opening a virtual box. Open the virtual box installed on your desktop. If you do not have the virtual box installed yet, go to your browser and type in VirtualBox and open the first link shown in the results. Once you arrive in the website, navigate to the Downloads menu and click the Windows host and it will automatically download the file. Now run the VirtualBox installer and click Next. It's up to you to what drive are you going to install the program, but you can just leave everything as it until you arrive to a Windows with a warning network interface. Click yes to begin installation. Once finished, then click launch. Step 3, setting up your virtual machine. Once you've launched the VirtualBox, click New button and start setting up by providing your desired name for your virtual machine. Go to the version menu, set the Windows version to Windows 10 for 64-bit and click Next. You can leave everything as it is, then click Next. When reaching the last window, just click Create button. Click the button setting to modify the virtual machine. In the general menu, hover to the Advanced tab and set the shared clipboard and Drag and drop to directional. Go to storage settings and under storage device, click empty and hover to attribute. Click the desk icon in line with the optical drive and click choose a desk file. This will open File Manager, locate the earlier downloaded ISO file and import it to the virtual box. This will serve as the optical disk when installing using a physical drive. Then click OK and hit start. In step 4, installing Windows. Once the virtual machine started, you'll be asked to select Startup Disk. Just click drop down button and select the last drive, then click Start. Wait until you see a Windows logo. Windows setup will be pop up that will ask your preferred language, time and current format, and keyboard or output method. Then once done, click Next. When the windows appear, click Install and wait for the setup to start. You will then ask to accept the license term and click Next. The next window will then let you choose whether to upgrade or custom installation. And since we are just installing Windows, click custom option. You will then ask us where do you want to install the Windows? Click the desired disk and click Next. The installation will then proceed, then this process will take time. Once the installation process is done, the Windows will have to restart. So you can wait until the Windows restart or you can just click restart button. Now, step 5, getting ready. Wait for the Windows to restart. It may take a while. It's now time to set up the Windows. Next is to set up user. You can put whatever name you want as a username, as well as in creating the password and security questions. Once done in each step, click next and wait for a moment. You'll be then asked to choose the privacy setting for the device and then click accept. When asked to accept Cortana, click accept. After this process, wait for a several minutes but make sure not to close the virtual machine. After a minute of waiting, you'll finally arrive in the virtual desktop. Thank you and God bless.